Today, we're comparing two high-performance all-season tires launched in 2023, the Bridgestone Turanza All Season 6 and the Falken Euroall All Season AS220 Pro. Let's look at the numbers to see which one performs better. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Bridgestone Turanza All Season 6 set as the reference point at 100%. In wet conditions, the Bridgestone Turanza All Season 6 has a clear advantage. It brakes 1.2 meters shorter at 45.9 meters compared to the Falken's 47.1 meters. In wet handling, Bridgestone averages 74.1 kilometers per hour, 2.8 kilometers per hour faster than Falken's 71.3 kilometers per hour. It also outperforms in aquaplaning resistance by 3 kilometers per hour. Overall, Bridgestone shows superior wet performance. On snow, both tires brake equally at 24.5 meters. However, the Bridgestone pulls ahead in traction, generating 104 newtons more force than the Falken. In snow handling, Bridgestone is 2.8 kilometers per hour faster in the test compared to Falken. In dry conditions, Bridgestone stops 1.7 meters shorter than Falken from 100 kilometers per hour. However, Falken is slightly faster in dry handling, averaging 91.8 kilometers per hour, 1 kilometer per hour above Bridgestone. Falken is 0.4 decibels quieter at 72.9 decibels, while Bridgestone has better rolling resistance coefficient value at 8.4 versus Falken coefficient value of 9.1, indicating better fuel efficiency. Overall, the Bridgestone Turanza All Season 6 excels with stronger wet and snowy performance, better dry braking, and improved fuel efficiency, while the Falken Euroall All Season AS220 excels so slightly in dry handling. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.